Is your Thermador freezer alarm constantly going off? This usually indicates a problem with the door seal, temperature sensor, or defrost system. First, inspect the door seal for damage or debris, preventing a tight closure. A faulty seal lets in warm air, triggering the alarm. Next, consider the temperature sensor. If it's malfunctioning, it can send incorrect readings to the control board. Finally, defrost issues, like ice buildup, can also cause alarms. Try a defrost reset by unplugging the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. Remember to always unplug your freezer before attempting any repairs to ensure safety. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the alarm, advanced diagnostics are needed. Temperature sensors can be tested with a multimeter. A normal range is 5 to 10 kilohms at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. If the sensor is faulty, replacement is necessary. For defrost issues, check the defrost heater and timer. Newer Thermador freezers from 2024 onwards have smart integration and self-diagnostic features, often linking to a mobile app that displays error codes like E1 for a temp sensor issue. These alarms can sometimes be remotely reset via the app. Looking ahead, future trends include AI-driven self-repair and predictive maintenance via IoT, potentially reducing repair needs. For older models, firmware updates from the Bosch website can address software glitches causing false alarms. If DIY solutions fail, consult a certified Thermador technician to avoid further damage or voiding any warranties. Preventative maintenance, such as monthly seal checks and annual defrosting, can significantly reduce the likelihood of alarm issues.